Hello everyone, welcome again my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today video is about wedding hairstyle. So guys, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and share my video and watch my video till end. So viewers, your wedding day is one of the most unique and beautiful moments in your life, and your hairstyle can truly make you feel like a princess as you walk down the aisles. In this captivating video, I bring you a curated collection of unique wedding hairstyle ideas that are sure to inspire you as you plan your perfect look for the big day. So guys, subscribe my channel and share my video to your loved ones and your family members, and hit the bell icon button to obtain my newly upcoming video at time. So guys, picture yourself in a romantic garden, a beachside paradise, or a grand ballroom. Each sitting deserves a hairstyle that complements the ambience and makes you feel like the star of the show. My video begins with an array of very unique and stylish hairstyle. Soft waves intertwined with a delicate floral accent created an effortlessly romantic look perfect for an outdoor wedding. A last bride up to adorned with dignity, pearls, and so guys, this video is have a very unique idea. As the video unfolds, we delve into timeless classics, the elegant, very unique, sleek bun at the nape of the neck, very stylish and sophistications and grace, while the low bun with intricate twist bring a touch of modernity to our traditional styles. For those seeking a touch of drama, a cascading waterfall braid beard with a half up, half down style provides in this video. So guys, this video is full of unique and stylish wedding hairstyle ideas. So pick up the ideas and become very shiny and very beautiful day, as this day is very big for you. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care.